In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever opened a presentation on a different computer and watched your carefully chosen typography get replaced, you know how frustrating font substitutions can be. Embedding fonts solves that. It packages the fonts you've used inside your presentation file so your slides look the same on any device, even if that computer doesn't have your fonts installed. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Open the application the way you normally do on your system. The interface may look slightly different depending on your version, but the steps are the same. Next, open an existing presentation. Choose the file that actually uses the fonts you want to preserve. Embedding is most useful when your slides rely on specific typefaces for headings, body text, or branding. Now, go to the File menu and select Properties. This opens the Document Properties dialog, where you can manage file-specific settings that travel with your presentation. In the dialog, click the Font tab. This tab is dedicated to how Impress handles fonts within the document. It's where you control whether fonts are stored inside the file or referenced from the system. Enable the option labeled Embed Fonts in the document. This tells Impress to include the font data in your .odp file so your text renders consistently anywhere. Keep in mind, some fonts have licensing rules that restrict embedding. If a particular typeface can't be embedded, LibreOffice may skip it, and you might see a warning or notice no change for that font. When in doubt, choose fonts that permit embedding for sharing and presenting. If you want to keep your file size smaller, also enable only embed fonts that are used in documents. This ensures Impress includes only the fonts that actually appear in your slides, rather than every font installed on your computer. It's a smart way to reduce bloat, especially for larger decks with images and media. Remember, a font counts as used only if you've applied it to text in the presentation. Simply having it installed isn't enough. Click OK to confirm your settings, and then save your presentation. Saving writes the embedded fonts into the .odp file. Expect the file size to increase depending on how many fonts you've used and their complexity, which is normal. From now on, when you open or share this file, the embedded fonts travel with it, helping you avoid surprises on unfamiliar machines. And that's it. You've embedded your fonts, protected your design, and set yourself up for consistent, professional-looking presentations anywhere you present.